Hello everyone and welcome to the top apps. Like today I want to show you the best app that its name is Photomath. Lots of you face with lots of difficulty by calculating the numbers. So in this app, in this video, I'm going to present to you the best app to solve all of your problems, Photomath. Explore new solve math problem in a snap, choose between multiple methods, get a step-by-step explanation. It is the best and good idea. Try out a smart calculator too. It's about 51.7 MB in iOS and less on Android. Let's open. And here I did an question, so let's get it. So the show solve 2 plus, yeah, solution is 4.6. So let me write another question. As you see guys, simplify. It gives you the correct answer. It is the best app. Some of the people say that it makes the wrong solution to us. No, it's not giving you the wrong solution. It gives you the exact and the correct answer. So subscribe to my channel, press the ring bell for more videos, and thanks for watching.